The TYCO Rapid Seal sprinkler head adapter made with BlazeMaster CPVC is simplifying the way fire sprinkler heads are installed into piping systems. With its all CPVC design, no brass means no dezinkification in hard water environments. And with zero lead, it complies with state and local low lead requirements for piping systems. The straight thread design allows for an easy, leak-free installation without the extra steps of applying thread tape or sealant. Flexible installation allows for easier, more precise positioning of the sprinkler, such as the alignment of the deflector or frame arms. Installation takes 3 simple steps. First, ensure the sprinkler threads are clean and free of any sealants such as tape or paste. Second, carefully thread the sprinkler into the fitting and hand tighten until firmly seated. Third, align the sprinkler or frame arms as needed with up to 1 additional full turn, being sure not to over-torque the sprinkler. If a sprinkler needs to be replaced after it's been installed for 6 months or more, you must either cut out and replace the fitting or simply replace the gasket. TYCO recommends replacing the Rapid Seal gasket, and that process is just as simple. Use the pick to remove the existing gasket from inside the fitting. Insert a new gasket into the fitting by using the gasket replacement tool. First, ensure the threaded rod is in the open position by turning it counterclockwise. Insert a new gasket onto the end of the threaded rod. Turn the rod clockwise until the gasket reaches the opposite end of the cylinder. And securely fit the cylinder over the fitting. Apply pressure and continue rotating the threaded rod until the gasket is pushed completely into place inside the fitting. In addition to easy installation, the Rapid Seal adapter comes in multiple sizes and styles and is UL, FM, NSF, and LPCB approved. For more information, visit www.tyco-fire.com.